What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to stop people from seeing that you viewed their TikTok profile. TikTok recently introduced a feature that lets users see who has viewed their profile. While this can be interesting, there might be times when you prefer to keep your profile visits private. First, grab your device and open the TikTok app. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a feed icon at the top right of your profile page. Tapping on this icon reveals a list of people who viewed your profile. Now, to keep your visits under the radar, you'll want to access the settings, which can be done by tapping the gear icon also located at the top right. Within these settings, you'll find an option to toggle off the feature that allows others to see when you viewed their profiles. By switching this off, you essentially go into ghost mode. It's important to remember that turning off this feature works both ways. You won't be able to see who views your profile, and others won't see when you view theirs. With this feature disabled, feel free to browse any profile knowing that your visits remain a secret. If down the line you decide you want to turn this feature back on, simply follow the same steps to toggle the setting back on. This flexibility ensures you have control over your privacy and how you engage with content on TikTok. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.